Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening whenever and wherever you are watching this video from. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And this video we're going to answer this earth geometry question. This is a 2025 grade 12 exam question. So without wasting much of the time, let's read the question and answer it. All right. So it's saying in the diagram A, B, C, D are points on the surface of the earth. Take pi as 3.142 and radius 3437, which is just the 3437 nautical miles, the radius of the earth in nautical miles. Okay. The first question is saying calculate the length of the circle of latitude 52 degrees north, the circle of latitude 53 degrees north. So this is very simple. Circle of latitude is just the circumference. Okay. And calculating circumference is just C is equals to 2 pi r cos x. Okay, 2 pi r cos x. Now let's substitute 2 pi is 3.142, 3.142. Radius of the s is 3437, so 3437 cos x is the latitude in which this circle is. So the latitude is 52, this one. So we're going to just substitute with 52 degrees. Circumference, let's calculate. 2 multiplied by 3.142 multiplied by 3437 cos 52. This is giving me 13,297.12304. Okay, let's round our answer correct to 3 significant figures. So we have 1, 2, 3. Check. Then after this 2, there is a number which is bigger than or greater than or less than 5, greater than or equal to 5, which is just a 9. So we're going to add 1 to this one. This one becomes a 3. So it'll be 3. Then these two numbers before decimal point become 0. This one as 3, this one as 1. So 13,300 nautical miles. Okay, this is just a circumference. So it is what? Nautical miles. Okay, let's go to question 2. Let's solve question 2 from here. Calculate the distance BC along the longitude 76 degrees. BC. So BC here, this is the line of longitude. So the formula will be BC is equals to theta over 360 degrees times 2 pi r. It's as simple as this. Okay. So now delta this side, theta, since the distance is in longitude, then theta is the difference in latitude between B and C. So this is 52 degrees north. This is 78 degrees south. So we add, okay? On the different hemispheres, we add same hemispheres, we subtract. If this was south-south, we would have subtracted. So 52 degrees north plus 78 degrees south. When you add the two, we are going to have 130 degrees. Okay, no units, eh? So 130. Substitute 130 here over 360 degrees times 2 times 3.142 times radius 3437. Okay, let's calculate together. So we're going to say 130 divided by 360 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3.142 multiplied by 3437. This is giving me 7,799.316778. Let's correct our answer to three significant figures. So we have 1, 2, 3. Check. This one becomes 0. This one also becomes 0. This will add 1 to this one. This one becomes 8. Then this will remain as 7. So 7,800 nautical miles. So this is the answer. Okay, it's as simple as this. Then the third and last question here is saying calculate the distance DC. Let's check DC. DC along the long latitude line of circle of latitude 78 degrees south. So the formula is different from calculating distance or length along the line of latitude, circle of latitude rather. So the formula here will be DC is equals to theta over 360 degrees times 2 pi r, and we just add cos what? Cos x. Okay. So data here, theta, since we're calculating distance along the line, along the circle of latitude, then the difference will be in the latitude, in longitude between D and C. So D is on 43 degrees west, C is on 76 degrees east. So we're going to add. We're going to add 43 degrees west plus 76 degrees east. Okay. So when you add, you're going to have 119 degrees. Okay. Then x is the latitude, which is just 78 degrees. Okay, 78 degrees. So just 78 degrees. Let's substitute. So this is equals to 119 degrees over 360 degrees times 2 times 3.142 times 34 rather 37 cos 78. Okay, so let me just do this. This is x, cos 78. Let's solve this. So we have 119 divided by 360 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3.142 multiplied by 3437 multiplied by cos. So we have cos 78. 78. This is giving me 1484.359442. Okay, round this one off to three significant figures. We have 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 3. So this is less than 5, so just 0. This will remain as 841 nautical miles. Okay, that's all. We're done with this question. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe and give us a comment. Thank you.